Welcome everyone to break 425 for the 2017 TriStar Hinchers Autograph Mini Helmet. First thing we're going to do is refresh the date and time according to eBay. This is a live break. It is Thursday, January 25th, 2018. It is 12:10 a.m. on Eastern Time and 9:10 p.m. Pacific Time. So it's technically Friday here Eastern Time. And we're going to read off the eBay usernames and how many spots each one you guys have. So AJ Tang 59, you have 15. Masco 20, you have 1. Jersey Born 86, you have 3. Golden Boy 05, you have 5. MJ Viva 32, you have 4. White Sox Roll 11, you have 2. And OLB Knowledge, you have 2. Alright, so what I'm going to do is copy this list here in column C. Paste into brand.org 5 times. Here we go. Everyone's in there 5 times, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and last time. MJ, you're on top, and AJ, you're on the bottom. This is break 425. I have no idea why it's so low. Okay, MJ, you have the Cardinals, Masco Falcons, AJ Ravens, Jersey Born Bills, AJ Panthers, MJ Bears, AJ Bengals, Jersey Born Browns, AJ, you have the Cowboys, Broncos, Lions, Packers, Texans, Colts, MJ Jags, OLB Chiefs, AJ Rams, Golden Boy Dolphins, Vikings, Patriots, AJ Saints, Giants, White Sox, Jets, AJ Raiders, MJ Eagles, Jersey Born Steelers, White Sox, Chargers, OLB Niners, AJ Seahawks, Golden Boy Bucks, Golden Boy Titans, and AJ with the Washington Redskins. Alright, we'll go through that again. Alright guys, let's do it. It's all sealed up. There's the seal. That will be a St. Louis Rams. Check for a card underneath. There it is. I put the box inside. It's going to be Jack Youngblood. There it is. 92 college, 2001 pro, Ring of Fame, it's retired, Gator Football Ring of Honor, Pro Bowl, first team. Heck of a player, Jack Youngblood. Hall of Fame 01 inscription for the St. Louis Rams. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Oh, I'm sorry. Los Angeles Rams. I was like, wait a second, where'd they go? Yeah, LA Rams now. I always forget. But that's going to go to AJ Tang 59. So congratulations, man. Got a Jack Youngblood helmet. Very nice. It's a real clean auto. Very nice auto right on the green there, or the yellow. Nice chrome. But very sweet, guys. Hope to see you guys in future breaks. And be sure to subscribe and turn notifications on. Thank you. We'll go ahead and jump into the jersey.